Hi guys, I'm Sadie Haslam and this is my PowerPoint. Hopefully you'll be able to see all of it. I titled it Major Careers and Plan Ideas, and there's my name. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the career that I want to be researching this semester, and that is a life coach. So here's some of the duties that I would be required to do as a life coach and a little bit of a description of the job. This is from what I found online. I would be part of an individual support system. I would manage the cases of more than one person at a time. I would collaborate with other members of an individual's team, so other people who are also working to help someone. I found this really interesting. It says that I would utilize a scaffolding approach to help individuals become successful on their own. And scaffolding is something that I learned about in my developmental psych class, where you start by providing more support to help someone do something and gradually kind of withdraw that support as the person learns to do it on their own. And I thought that was really cool. Keep track of the progress that people make and help people with crises that they might have. The required education, as far as I could find, is a bachelor's degree, preferably in psychology or social work or something related to that. Or, for the particular job that I was researching, it said that successful completion of college courses over several semesters could also work. So right now I am working to obtain my bachelor's degree in health psychology, which, as I mentioned before, was one of the preferred degrees for becoming a life coach. And if I can complete my degree successfully, I'll hopefully be qualified for a career in this field in the next couple of years. I hopefully only have 1 year of college left after this. Here's a picture of me. Oh, I should let you look at that a little longer, in case you wanted to really see what I look like. The next slide is reasons for majoring in psychology. My emphasis is in health psychology, so that's why I included that part. I have a passion for learning about and understanding people, and I really always have. I love learning about physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health, and health psychology just really seemed like the best way to combine all of those things that are so interesting to me. I love helping people improve their lives. That was something that I really discovered even more on my mission, is how much I just love helping people and seeing their lives improve. And I love teaching. I've always loved teaching, and that makes me excited. The last slide is comparing my reasons for choosing to major in psychology to the reasons given in chapter 13. And from what I could see, the top reason, or one of the top reasons at least, for majoring in psychology was an interest in the subject matter of psychology, which is definitely something that I have. And another reason that was listed was that a bachelor's degree in psychology can help prepare someone for a future career in teaching. And I also love teaching, and that's something that I would really like to be able to do with my degree as well. So I think that's everything. Thanks for watching.